How to create custom username for Phantom Wallet. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Phantom Wallet and how you're going to be creating a custom name for yourself. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to this section where it says A1, you're going to click on it. You're going to come down to settings. And once you come down to settings here, it's going to say create your username. So we're going to click on that. And what it does from there is it's going to load this nice little animation up. So here it's going to say create username. We're going to click on continue. And from here, you can create your very own username for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and create this name for myself. Now, once you've done that, we're going to click on save and continue. And once you do that, you can add your very own emojis as your profile picture. And once we've done all of that, just save and continue. Once you do all of this, there we go. So now you have your very own custom username for your Phantom wallet. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.